Hey guys, today we're going to talk about what to do when your roof is leaking and it's raining outside. Join me. Number 1, take care of the interior. It's not a big revelation that with leaks, water damage can happen. So the first thing to do is protect the inside of your home or business. Place a pan, bucket, or bowl under the leak to capture the water. Number 2, try to find where the source of the leak is. This can be difficult, but check the common areas where leaks occur. That is skylights, AC units, and clogged gutter drains. Leaks are tricky, so you might not be able to find the source, but at least give it a shot. Number 3, check the attic. If you have an attic, then check your attic while it's raining. Observe for any wet areas. Pat your hand around the insulation and check if the insulation is wet or dry. These can be key indicators to where the roof leak is coming from. Bonus tip: tarp the exterior. If the weather permits and you take your safety precautions, you may be able to tarp the exterior of the roof. This can temporarily stop the leaks until you can get a professional roofer out to your property.
That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time and take care.